Ti wedi bod mewn mosg o blaen?
Na dda.
Sean? Ar gamera, nawr? Do?
Da.
Yn lle?
Yn Gaerdydd.
Nid yr un yma?
Yr un yma.
I ni ar y ffordd i Fosg yn ardal Cyteis o Gaerdydd. Mosg sydd wedi tyfu'n sylweddol o ran yr aelodaeth.
Lle bwyd halal fan hyn. Guaranteed halal. Dim o fi'n gweud bod rhaid bod e fel y cyfrif o'r un...
O, lle ma hwn yn mynd. A fo, ie?
Gobe. Dar ôl Isra. Mwslemiaid Educational and Welfare Centre. So, dwi'n mynd edrych y mosg, ond hwnna yw fi'n siŵr. So you lead the way, Abdul. Were you brought to the mosque as a young boy? There were some kids here, 3 or 4 year olds.
Yeah.
Were you brought that young as well?
I was, yeah, not this particular mosque.
No.
My parents took me to their local mosque, which is also in Cardiff. But yeah, I used to come for the Eid prayers, sometimes on a Friday if I didn't have school during half term. So I was someone who came and you know, had a bit of an upbringing in the mosque as well.
And how do you make sure that those kids still believe? Again, is it tradition? Is it custom? Is it bringing them here? Or is it, you know, something spiritual?
I'm sure it's a bit of both. I mean, again, these individuals, these little children, I think being brought up in the mosque gives them the literacy, the ability to know how to engage with their religion. And I think that's why parents do bring their children here, so that they know how to pray, they know what the Quran is, how to read it. And then later on in life, once it becomes something more for them than just maybe culture and tradition, it might become something like a very meaningful connection to God. Well, that option is there for them.
Well, the girls are somewhere else, so perhaps you can show the way.
Yeah, sure.
And then, you know...
Let's go grab our shoes and our bags and we'll go over. How's that sound?
Diolch yn fawr.